Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to convert between tuples and lists in Python. This is an important skill because sometimes we need immutability with tuples and other times we want to modify items using lists. Let's go to PyCharm and create a new Python file. Right-click the tuples folder. Choose New, then Python file. Let's name it tuple_convert. We'll start with a simple tuple of fruits. We type fruits equals within round brackets apple, banana, cherry. This is a normal tuple. Now let's convert it to a list. We write fruits_list equals list function. Within brackets pass the tuple called fruits. This line takes the tuple and converts it into a list. Let's print it to confirm. Type print function within brackets fruits_list. Run the program and the output is apple, banana, cherry. Perfect. Our tuple is now a list. Now we can update it if needed. For example, change index 1 to blueberry. Type fruits_list within square brackets 1 equals blueberry. Print it. Run the program and you can see the output apple, blueberry, cherry. So converting to a list makes the data mutable and editable. Now let's do the reverse. Suppose we have a list of numbers. Let's type numbers equals within square brackets 10, 20, 30, 40. Now we want to lock this list so no one can modify it. Let's convert it to a tuple. Let's type numbers_tuple equals tuple function. Within brackets pass numbers. Then print it. Print function within brackets numbers_tuple. Run the program. Output is 10, 20, 30, 40. Perfect. Our list is now a tuple. And since tuples are immutable, this ensures no accidental changes happen. So why do we convert between the two? Here are common scenarios. Use tuples when you want your data to stay fixed, like coordinates, config values, or database rows. Use lists when you want to add, remove, or update items freely, like scores, shopping carts, or temp storage. Sometimes you get a tuple from another function or an API, but you need to modify it. Convert to list, make changes, and convert back. That's the flexible power Python gives you. Let's summarize. To convert a tuple to list, use the list function. To convert a list to tuple, use the tuple function. Lists are mutable, you can change them. Tuples are immutable, they are fixed once defined. This conversion technique is super useful when switching between flexible and fixed data formats. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.